Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Since Verizon FiOS uses a 100% fiber optic network, the service does not use modems. So you can't use your own modem with Verizon FiOS, but you can use your own router. Verizon says any router will work with your Verizon FiOS ONT device.
Take our lead.
Yes, you can. Below is a detailed guide to using your own router with Verizon FiOS. The TLDR, if you have standalone Verizon FiOS internet that was recently installed, simply release the DHCP lease on the Verizon router, follow instructions below, section, switching to your own router, and plug your own router in.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The Verizon FiOS gateway uses dual bands to delivers the speed of up to 800 megabits per second. This is not as large as some other routers on our list. This router provides coverage for up to 325 feet. This distance of Wi-Fi coverage may be hampered by a bad network.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.